Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight we are here in Yas Bay. We are planning to watch the fireworks today for the new year. So hopefully we will get a good location guys and able to watch the fireworks clearly from that location. So for now we are walking to the nearest area where we can watch the fireworks. So hopefully it's still not a lot of people in that area. It's still early by the way guys. I think it's only 10 o'clock. So for now, stay tuned. We are going to watch fireworks from here today guys.
Doon ang fireworks. Saan tayo pupwesto? Dito or doon?
Doon yata yung fireworks.
Doon pa? Tayo pupwesto? O doon pa daw tayo pupwesto.
So far, not a lot of people. Ito yung mga upuan po ano, pwede tayo dito.
What do you think? Star?
Gusto niya doon.
May bench na wooden. Or we can occupy one batibot.
May batibot nga, yan yung plan. So that's Etihad Arena on the other side. Pa special treatment, may sasakyan dito. Ito may isang upuan pa dito. So this is the area guys. Woo. So the fireworks will be in front of this Etihad Arena later on guys. It's kind of cold.
O doon tayo sa kabilang side.
May tao dun.
At least ito atin lang. What do you think? Then let's move here. Sige, move na lang tayo.
So my family are going to set up the camping table now. Ayan na. Set up na kami ng table namin.
Yes, ano lang kasi to, ano eh. Let's bolt in. Panalit siya. Like, ito. Yan. Good. Assemble pa.
Chair. Chair table.
Sa ano na siya?
Kisha and Ate Isabela are the supervisor. Ito yung ano, portable table and chair. Ate teka.
Business dapat, ayan. Now, tatayo na natin. Dito siya.
Ayun siya sa bata.
Oo.
Itong table.
We're gonna sit here. We're gonna sit here.
Mga parang disinfectant.
We have the best spot. Sturdy.
Right now it's still quiet. So a lot of people are already here in the park, but they are not near to the water area guys. So they are up there in the green area with their table, chairs. They're having tea and coffee right now. So ito yung ganap sa ngayon. This is what is happening right now. We are preparing our food on the table.
Kaya talaga nung nag-punch nga kami, ang ganda sa table eh.
We brought a few food for us to eat while waiting for the fireworks, and then later on we will eat again when we are going back home.
Coffee.
So for now, this is the kids. This is the kids table here. So Crystal, she brought her baby.
Hindi natin nadala ng basura. Ayun, may basura kang
We are going to eat now. Ate Isabella is getting her food.
Yes.
Ate Kisha.
Hello.
How about you? You got your food? Wow. Japsay. So we have
Oh, I thought you were gonna get more.
Japsay, lumpia,
That's enough fish.
and sweets later on.
It's on camera. Hello.
It's on camera. You're on camera. So right now a lot of people are here.
What's your ano?
Earlier it was only a few of us. But right now, if you're going around the area, there's a lot of people waiting for the fireworks as well, guys. So we just set up carpet on the floor. In some they have their own tables as well. So my family
The best thing that happened to you is you.
already finished their food, and now they're just
How would you be?
chilling.
You keep cutting naman. Ano lang yung French lang. I
Crystal,
mean like the first time that you started it.
what did you eat earlier?
I eat some of this. That's it.
Japsay.
Because I said pizza. I don't want to touch the vegetable.
Kisha and Ate Isabella are playing. There's a plane.
Few moments later.
Now the fireworks just started, guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. Year. Goodbye 2022 and welcome 2023. New Year.
New Year!
Jump.
Daisy love! Happy New Year! Say Happy New Year!
Alright guys, we are going home now. There still have a lot of people here. So, but for us, we are done. We saw the fireworks already. And we already celebrate the Happy New Year here. So, once again, Happy New Year everyone. And I hope you like the short video that I have for you. So let's welcome 2023 with an open hand, and hopefully 2023 will bring us a lot of blessings, guys. For us as anglers, hopefully lots of monster fish, hopefully kingfish soon, guys. We are going for our deep sea on January 7, so hopefully we can catch a lot of kingfish by that time, guys. So for now, to all my subscribers, thank you for the support, and for those that haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to hit the notification button, guys. Once again, thank you. Have a good night.